Today, I'm gonna show you 4 businesses that you can start right now for just $0. And I'm gonna show you a live example of each of them so you have a blueprint to follow. If we can get this video to 10,000 likes, I'm even gonna start one of these businesses from scratch and document the whole thing. So make sure to hit that like button and let's get started with business number 1. Short form content is without a doubt one of the most incredible opportunities of our generation. With platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, people are blowing up faster than ever before. But to be honest, it'll take a long time for you to actually make money as a creator. However, I believe that there's a huge opportunity elsewhere to make some good money pretty quickly. What I would recommend is starting a content repurposing agency. Essentially, your job is to find influencers with a small to medium-sized audience and offer to edit their videos, live streams, and podcasts into short form content. Then you can take that content and post it for them on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok to help them grow much faster. Most of my friends are creators, and I can tell you for a fact that everybody is looking for this right now. For example, let's look at my TikTok. So in the last couple months, I started posting almost every single day on this account, and I've already been able to get 65,000 followers and 1.6 million likes. But I've never edited or posted a single video myself. At the moment, I'm currently paying my team of editors around $10,000 to do this, and we're currently posting hundreds of videos a month across all social media platforms. And as a result, my YouTube channel has hit an all-time high in terms of growth this month. So it just shows that there is a lot of value in this service. With an agency like this, you can easily charge people $1,000 to $3,000 a month just for editing these simple videos. But there's just one problem with this business idea. Everybody is trying to do this right now. Every single day, I get at least 10 DMs from people offering this exact service to me. So if you want to do this, how can you stand out and actually get clients? What I would do is, instead of just reaching out to people and offering this service, I would show them that you're capable of doing it. So pick an influencer and go ahead and start creating some content for them for free. The goal of this is to build up a page and show that you're capable of getting results. If you can do that, people will be much more likely to pay you with no hesitation. For example, if somebody DM'd me and said, "Hey, I created a page for you 2 weeks ago and I've already got a couple thousand followers and we even had a video hit 1 million views," I'm gonna be so much more likely to give that person some money compared to the guy that's just like, "Yo bro, put me on." So if you do this properly and build up some results for them, you're almost guaranteed to lock them in as a client. This opportunity won't be around forever, so make sure to take advantage of it while you can. But for now, let's move on to business number 2. So the thing that I've made the majority of my money with is e-commerce. And for the last 5 years that I've been in the game, to get started, you needed some money. But there has truly been a resurgence in this industry with something I like to call organic dropshipping. For the first time ever, you can build a 6-figure a month business without spending $1 on ads, simply by leveraging the power of short form content. So the way that you would do this is by first finding a product that is trending recently on TikTok or Facebook. Once you do that, you're gonna go on Amazon and actually order this product so you can begin creating content for it. The way to go viral is not by coming up with some new idea or some new trend. You literally can just go out there and study the videos that have already popped off and recreate them in your own way. As long as you keep doing this on a daily basis, it's only a matter of time until your first video hits and you start making some real money. Without a doubt, this is one of the fastest ways to kickstart a Shopify business without spending any money. Well, except for the fact that you have to order the product, but still, you know what I'm saying. Let me show you a few examples of some stores that are crushing it with this right now. So in the last 3 days, this video got 4.5 million views and almost 400,000 likes. Basically, these guys just created a healthy alternative to vaping. As you can see, it looks like a vape, but it doesn't have any nicotine or anything like that. And this video is absolutely popping off. You can see they did this multiple times. They got one video at 3.6, they got one video at 4.5, they got videos with 100,000 across the board. This is a golden example of a brand that was kickstarted just with organic content. And when we break down the numbers, you can see how crazy this can actually get. So out of 4.5 million views, let's say just 5% of people clicked onto the website. That is 225,000 website visitors. Now, let's say 1% of people ended up purchasing. That's over 2,000 customers from one simple video. And based on the price of their product, on a low end, these guys generated over $45,000 from just one video, and they didn't have to spend a dime on ads. This is another brand that has done this successfully. They got over 6 million views in just over a month on this little 5-second video that probably just took them a couple minutes to make. It just goes to show that as long as you have a product that actually solves a problem and catches people's attention, you can easily go viral and make great money without ever having to run an ad. And the best part is you can reinvest the money you make from this back into ads so you can scale your business much faster. So as you can see, this strategy is the ultimate opportunity for anyone looking to get started with dropshipping. The Shopify plan is not free though. It's gonna cost you around $30 a month. But if you wanna save some money, make sure to sign up with my link in the description. You're gonna be able to get a free trial and only pay $1 for your first 3 months. So make sure to check that link out if you're looking to start your own store. But for now, let's move on to business number 3. Did you know you can make thousands of dollars a month from YouTube without ever showing your face? I know for a fact that you've seen channels like this and didn't even think about it. Which leads me to business number 3, building a faceless YouTube channel. Essentially, you go out and pick a niche that you are knowledgeable on, such as sports, business, or gaming. Then you take a deep dive into that niche and find video ideas that have already began to go viral. One lesson that holds true across all these business ideas is that you don't have to come up with the idea yourself. You can literally find what's working. You can take a model of what's already had success and you can replicate that for yourself. This is the key to getting your first success in any business. And once I realized this is when I finally started making things happen. So after you found some video ideas that are going viral within that niche, you want to think of a great title and thumbnail that you can use to get that video to go viral. If you need help coming up with a title, there is this free tool that I use called vidIQ, and it shows you the key words that people are searching for and gives you inspiration for your titles. As for the thumbnails, you can keep them very simple. The best thumbnails are the most simple ones. You want to have a little bit of mystery in there, but you want to show them the idea that you're presenting in the title. What most of these channels do is they take clips and photos from the internet and overlay a simple voiceover to tell the story. This allows you to pump out a ton of videos without ever having to leave your house. And you don't need an expensive mic to do this. I mean, some of the most viral videos I've recorded on my channel, I use this stupid little microphone right here. So let me show you some examples of this so you can truly understand how this works. This is a channel that I stumbled upon yesterday, and as you can see, they've got all different types of videos about luxury and money. Now, not all their videos get a ton of views, but occasionally these guys are hitting a couple 100,000, even millions per video. As you can see, this video is extremely simple. They've just taken some clips from the internet talking about the most powerful families in the world. They probably just went to Google, found this list right here of the families, went to YouTube, found some clips of these families, and then wrote a simple script and did a voiceover of it. And as a result, they got over 2 million views in just a couple months off this video. If we look at their channel on Social Blade, which is a tool that shows you all the numbers of a YouTube channel, it's estimated that they're bringing in anywhere from $1.7 to $27,000 a month. And as a YouTuber and somebody who spends way too much time on Social Blade, I can tell you that these numbers are on the low end. I would guess that these guys are definitely making over 20K a month from this simple channel. Another great example is this channel right here, which was just started a couple months ago by my boy B. It has, off of just 4 videos, they got over 10,000 subscribers and got their channel monetized. And they're doing exactly what I said. They literally just take clips and B-roll from the internet and turn it into a full-fledged video. I just showed you 2 examples, but there are thousands of channels on YouTube doing this successfully. To make this work, you need to pick a niche that you actually understand and get a solid understanding of the YouTube algorithm. I study YouTube every single day, and I think getting success on here comes down to only 2 things. Getting people to click on your video and getting them to watch all the way to the end. It might sound like I'm oversimplifying things, but that is truthfully all it takes to get a video to pop off on YouTube. This business is a little slower than all the other ones, but if you do it right, you can truly build up one of the most powerful assets out there. Big YouTube channels are worth a lot of money and can provide you so many opportunities, like brand deals, affiliate marketing, YouTube AdSense. I mean, truly, the sky is the limit with this one. So now let's move on to my final business idea. We've discussed many businesses today, but I truly believe that this one right here is going to be the best opportunity for most beginners because there is massive demand and still a huge gap in this marketplace. As we saw today, TikTok is clearly one of the greatest ways for businesses to get traffic and sales. And I predominantly see people using TikTok to promote online businesses, but it's very rare that I see somebody using a TikTok to promote a local business. Most local businesses want to grow and they want to be using this platform, but they're either way too busy to post every single day or they simply just don't know how to use it. So if you can fill that gap, you can make an absolute killing, which is why I recommend you start a local TikTok marketing agency. I live in Miami, and even living in a big city like this, I hardly see any companies that specialize in this service. So imagine what it's like in a smaller city. Those companies want to grow too, and they want to use this platform. So you could be one of the only ones in your city actually providing this service. And if you do this right, you can literally transform a business, because with TikTok ads, you can target the exact neighborhood or city that you want to, allowing you to get extremely targeted customers that are interested in the exact thing that you're trying to sell. Whether that's a restaurant, a sneaker store, a chiropractor, you can pretty much drive traffic to any one of these businesses and get them customers with TikTok. Because it's not just kids using this platform anymore. People of all ages are spending hours a day on TikTok. So I can guarantee you that if you jump on this opportunity, you will be able to make some good money. And with just a couple clients, you can build yourself a 6-figure a year business just by posting TikToks. Of course, to do this successfully, you need to learn the essential skills like running ads, creating viral content, and getting customers. But thankfully, you've got a YouTube channel like mine to help you out. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.